Right. The session is getting recorded. So on the previous class, what we have discussed is we have discussed about the product owner, about the product backlog, right? So after that, we discussed about the sprint backlog. So how the product, how we are going to pull from the product backlog. Okay. So here from product backlog to sprint backlog, product owner will give some requirements, right? So based on that requirements, what we are going to do, we are going to pick some tickets. It might be tickets, user stories, or requirements. Anything is same. The terminology is different. Okay.
Right.
Tickets, requirements, and stories. Everything is same. Please be conscious with the three. Okay. Someone will use requirements. Someone will use tickets. Okay. Right. So after we have discussed how many tickets we are going to take, based on that we are going to work on those tickets. How we are going to work? We are going to have a sprint length. Okay. The sprint length will be 1 to 4 weeks.
4 weeks. Correct.
Based on that we are going to work. Manoj, who is going to decide this? This will be decided by the product owner. Okay. If the product owner is having some experience, he will give it, or else the clients will give us, or else if they don't have any idea about, okay, just consider they don't have any idea. Okay, I'm the client, I don't have any idea. Okay, I don't have any working people with me. So what I do, I will completely depend upon the organization, right or wrong? Because I don't know anything about Agile methodology. So now, based upon the team sizes, the management will decide. Okay. So, okay, guys, we are going to work in 2 weeks or sprint. We are going to work on 3 weeks or sprint. Okay. Once the sprint is decided, okay, just consider the sprint is decided for 1 week. Until end, we are not going to change anything. Until to the end, we are not going to change anything. Did you get it?
Right.
So that's the reason what we are going to do is we are going to practice for 2 weeks of sprint. Majorly 90% will be 2 weeks only. Okay, Manoj, I want to learn 3 weeks. I want to learn 4 weeks. No problem with that. Okay, no problem with that. I will explain all those things. If you understand 2 weeks of sprint, no need to worry about it. You can add 1 more week. That's it.
Correct.
Manoj, if I add 1 more week, the time will be extended, right? Yes, the time will be extended. For 2 weeks, you have 700 hours. Sorry, 500 hours for 2 weeks. Okay, based upon your team size. For the 3 weeks, you might get around 700 hours, right or wrong?
Right.
If it is 4 weeks, you will get around 1000 hours. Manoj, if the time is extended, the tickets also will be extended, right, in the sprint backlog? Definitely. Right. Right now, you have taken only 10 tickets. In future, how many tickets you will take? Around 20 tickets. Right? Based upon the sprint length, based upon the tickets you are working. Okay. Manoj, how we are estimating this time? We are estimating this hours by using capacity planner. Okay. Avinash? Yes. Based upon the capacity planner, we are working on this. Okay. Now, Manoj, if it is 2 weeks, the working hours will be 10 days. If it is 3 weeks, it's going to be 15 days. 4 weeks, it is going to be 20 days. Right? In this length, sprint length, this is called as a time box events. Okay, we are having time box events. Agile methodology is completely depending upon time box events. Okay, based upon this sprint length, we are going to have the hours and the time. Okay, and after completing the 10 days, right now I said that 2 weeks of sprint. After completing the 10 days, what we are going to do, in the last day, 10th day, we are going to have a sprint review meeting.
Right.
Okay, in the 10th day, it might be first half or second half.
Okay.
What is first half, second half? The first half is nothing but in the morning, second half is nothing but the afternoon, from afternoon onwards.
Right.
Okay, based upon our time. Okay, Manoj, if the sprint is 2 weeks, the sprint review will be less time, right? Yes. If it is 4 weeks, the sprint length will be more time. Based on that time, we are going to plan the ceremonies, time boxed events. Manoj, how we are going to plan all those things? I will explain you clearly. Okay, right now understand this concept. Okay, understand the frame.
Yeah.
Okay. After a few days, like 3 to 4 days, I will explain this concept so that by the end of this week. Okay, by the end of this week, I will explain all the ceremonies, how much time we are going to allocate, all those things, so that you will get to know the whole framework very clear. Right now, you will get to understand about 70 to 80%. If I give you the time, you can understand very clear. Okay. Now, this sprint review will happen at the end of the day, in 10th day, or 15th day, or 20th day. Okay, Manoj, it might happen in the previous day also, in the 9th day. Depends. Okay, Anish, it might happen also. No problem with that.
Okay.
Okay. So if the client is busy on the 10th day, he is having some other meetings on the 10th day with another client. What he will do? He will connect with us on the 9th day.
Right.
Up to 9th day, how much of work we have completed? We have to showcase to the client.
Okay.
Okay. Manoj, what about the remaining work? The remaining work will be taken care by the product.
So we can also schedule after 10 days based
Which one?
upon client availability, right?
No.
No?
No, it's not like that. Okay. If the client is not available, we have to showcase the product to the
9th day.
No. Just consider product owner. Sorry, client is not available. Okay, client is not coming on the 10th day, 8th day, or any day. So to whom I have to showcase the product?
Product owner?
We have the product owner is there, right? The reason behind this, product owner has given the requirements. Right? He will take care of those things. If the product, if the clients is not coming, like a stakeholders are not coming, we can discuss with the clients. Sorry, product owner.
Is it normally happens in the production that
Yes.
every time the client
comes? Every time won't come. In the 10th day, just consider 10 sprints are there. Sprint 1, sprint 2, sprint 3. For all the sprints, client will come. Okay, just consider regularly Manoj is the client. Manoj is coming and viewing the product, what you have done. Okay, sometimes Manoj won't be available. In the case of Manoj, Adil will come. Okay, Adil will come. Adil will come and Adil will check the check with the product.
So the sprint review should not exceed this sprint time, right?
No.
That's what you're saying?
No, it should not exceed it. Okay, before sprint review only, we have to complete all the work items. Okay, right. After sprint review, straight away we are jumping to the sprint retrospective meeting. Okay.
When it happens?
After sprint review.
So I consider it on 10th day only?
Yeah, 10th day, last 1 hour.
Okay.
Suppose
for 4 hours we have given a schedule for sprint review. So out of 4 hours, 3 hours for reviewing and 1 hour for retrospective. And collectively we have 4 hours.
No. It should not be like that.
Then?
Okay. The timings will be decided by the. Just consider we are having 10 tickets. Okay. So these tickets are very less. Why? Because our team size is very less. 5 people or 6 people. Just consider our team size is 11 people. The tickets will be more, right? Right? Can you just consider 15 tickets? Can you review all the tickets in 4 hours? It's not possible. Right. Because everyone has to showcase their product, and whatever the negatives, whatever the positives, we have to show all those things, right? So it's not possible. So based upon the team size, we are going to take the time. 1 hour is equal to 2 hours, or 1 hour is equal to 3 hours. Sorry. Right?
Right.
So that's how we are going to manage it. Okay, I will tell you all those things. Okay, we do have a special session for that. Okay, let me open this batches previously. So we are going to discuss all those things. See here. sprint. Okay, if it is a 4 weeks, I'm going to let you know how many hours it will take. Okay, so based on that, different scenarios, I will discuss.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I will explain all these segments. Okay, how we are going to discuss, how we are going to work on those things. Okay, right. Okay, after that, what we are going to do is we are going to discuss about the sprint retrospective. Okay, it's a casual meetings, and I will let you know who are the attendees, who are not the attendees also. For every meeting, all the people won't come. We should not include it. Okay, so who are the attendees, who are not the attendees, I will let you. Okay. In sprint retrospective, what we are going to discuss is what are the positives and what are the negatives. One is what is positives and what is negatives. Okay. Based upon the review only, we are going to discuss about the retrospective. Right or wrong?
Right.
So we got a positive feedback. Based on that positive feedback, we are going to discuss the retrospective. We got negative feedback. What we are going to do? We are going to do root cause analysis. Right or wrong?
So root cause analysis will be done later on, right?
Yes, later on. But we have to find the root, right?
Right. So before once this review have some negative feedback, right? So we open a ticket internally to find a root cause, for example. So that may take in another 2 weeks or so. So during that 2 weeks, that user story will not land up into the product backlog.
Yes. See
again. Right?
Yes. No, it's not like that. See, what you said is one ticket is there. In that ticket, we have a lot of issues. Okay. Why that issues are getting? So being a developer, you should not make that happen, right or wrong? Why it was happened? Okay. You have to discuss that in the sprint retrospective. The reason behind is next sprint, you are going to discuss on that ticket only. The first ticket you are going to work is that ticket only, right? Now, product owner, this review is not developed clearly. 10th ticket, not developed clearly. What we are going to do, we are going to pull back to the product backlog. This is the sprint 1. In the sprint 2, straight away, we are going to take this ticket, right or wrong? Did you get it, or do you want me to explain again? Avinash? Hello? Hello? Avinash, are you speaking? Hello? Avinash, can you rejoin again once? Hello?
Yes, Manoj.
Yeah, now I'm getting the words. Yeah, you understand? You didn't understand the topic, what I'm trying to explain.
No, I think what I'm trying to ask you is, when you mentioned that in sprint 1, we got some issue on the ticket number 9, for example, you are again pulling the same ticket in the sprint 2. That's what you're saying. But my concern is, when you are having an issue, you have raised an RCA, we should wait for the RCA to come back and then before pulling to the product backlog.
Sorry, can you come again?
So my concern is, once you have some issue, we have figured out some issue and we have raised a ticket for the RCA, that might take around 2 weeks. So until 2 weeks have passed, we have the RCA done. We should not put the same ticket on the sprint 2 and the product back. That's what I am.
No. In the review meeting only, what is the major mistake we are going to discuss? Okay.
That is okay, but RC might take time, right?
See, root cause
that
analysis
cannot be done in a meeting or something.
For one ticket, root cause analysis, do you think it will take 2 to 3 weeks of time?
Yeah, approx. 1 week, 2 days.
Why? See, if that ticket need to be added something, okay, just consider you ordered a pizza. Okay, you ordered for pineapple pizza. Okay,
Mhm.
but the pineapples are very less, right or wrong?
Mhm.
What you do? You will ask the you will ask the owner
Mhm.
to add some more pizza. What he has to do? He will take the pizza and he will give you another pizza. For giving you another pizza, it will take some time, right or wrong?
Mhm.
But why it is taking some time? Because he need to add something,
Mhm.
right or wrong? He need
Mhm.
to add some pineapples on your pizza, right?
Mhm.
But everything is there on your pizza, but the taste is not good.
Mhm.
Everything is there. What he has to do? There some might be a salt issue or might be some paprika issue, right or
Mhm.
wrong? What he will do? He will give you some salt and he will give you some paprika. You can add it, right or wrong? Here also,
Mhm.
based upon the issue, what is the issue here? Everything, the description is good, everything is good, but there is some development issue. Okay.
Huh. That is okay. I mean, my concern is there is small little issue, then it is fine.
Yes.
But the ticket which you find needs time, that should not be put that way.
See,
That
if it takes time to add something to need to be added to the ticket.
Mhm.
Okay, just consider the same example, pizza example. For that ticket, something need to be added. What we have to do? We have to get it from the client. Am I right or wrong?
Mhm.
We have to get that remaining explanation or description from the client. Up to then, we cannot pull the ticket, right?
Mhm.
If
Yeah.
we got it, then what we are going to do? We are going to have another meeting for that. In the
Mhm.
another sprint review meeting, we are going to pull that ticket and whatever the items that has been added. Now the client or the product owner will explain to us. Based on that, we are going to develop.
Mhm.
Understand?
Yeah.
Root cause analysis is different. Okay, if ticket is good, okay, but something needs to be added. But whatever you are developing, the client is not accepting.
Mhm.
For that, you have to understand for that you have to create a root cause. Okay, then it is going to be a very big issue for you. Okay,
Mhm.
it might be the mistake from the client end, it might be the mistake from the product owner's end or from the architect's end. Why he is not getting it? Okay,
Mhm.
why the client is not getting satisfied? For that, you have to do some root cause analysis.
Mhm.
Understood?
Mhm.
If it is ticket, something needs to be added. Okay, then only in the review meeting only they will get you clarified. Okay, we
Mhm.
need to add something. Up to then, you are not going to pick up the ticket.
Mhm.
Okay, whenever whatever the items need to be added to that ticket, everything is got added by the product owner. Now what he
Mhm.
will do? He will bring that ticket to the next sprint.
Mhm.
Okay, and in that next sprint, you are going to have the sprint review meeting, right or wrong? Sorry,
Mhm.
sprint planning meeting.
Mhm.
In that sprint planning meeting, whatever the items he has added, he will explain to you. Okay,
Product owner, right?
yes,
Mhm.
product owner. He will explain to you. Based on that, you are going to understand and you are going to develop the ticket.
Mhm.
Okay,
Okay.
did you get your doubt or do you want me to explain again?
Yeah, that's okay. No, in our case, it normally takes, no, when you say that it will be resolved in hours, then I was surprised. In our case, it takes actually longer time to get
Yes,
an
the
RCA.
RCA will take a longer time. See,
Yeah, yeah.
that's what I'm saying. If it is a module changes,
Mhm.
so there is a lot of changes in the module. For one
Mhm.
ticket, it will take around a few hours.
Mhm.
If there is a change of a modules,
Mhm.
right, then we
Mhm.
have to remove all the coding from first for that module,
Mhm.
right or
Mhm.
wrong? Now,
Mhm.
what you are going to do for that module, you are going to do root cause analysis.
Mhm.
What development we have to keep,
Mhm.
what development we have to remove, what items need to be added, what
Mhm.
items need to be removed, right or
Mhm.
wrong?
Right.
You are going to discuss all those things and you are going to create a root cause for that.
Mhm.
Okay, so now who are the people who are going to be involved in this root cause analysis? Developers, testers,
Mhm.
clients, right?
Mhm.
Architects, because everything has to be designed by the architect from
Right.
newly, right or wrong,
Right.
for that new
Correct.
module.
Correct.
For that purpose, root cause analysis is different.
Right.
For one ticket, no need to be right.
Mhm.
For one ticket, the client straight away says that, okay, I need more. Okay,
Mhm.
what do you want more? right? So now client give you something, right? Some inputs he will give you. Now that inputs will be taken care by the product owner. He will write it in his diary. Okay. After that, what he will do as a Scrum Master, I have to note down what he is saying. Okay. I'm not going to schedule the meeting and I'm not going to sleep. Okay. Whatever the inputs they are giving, I will try to note it all those down. Okay. Or else what I do, I usually record it. Okay. Because that terminology I might not, right or wrong.
Right.
I usually record that 4 hours of session. Okay. For our reference. Okay. For my developers reference. Okay. So I usually get that recording as well. Okay. So that's how it will. Okay. If there is a huge module changes, okay, then the root cause analysis it will take months also. Okay, you are saying weeks. I have seen months also.
Yeah. Same for us.
Yes. So that is the thing. You are thinking about the big modules, but the thing is here we are discussing about the tickets, right? For that tickets, I mean it's just a ticket, right?
Yeah.
There is a change in one ticket. That change will take in hours on. No need to have a brain-breaking tasks for that. Okay. It will have a small issues. Okay. What are those small issues? We are going to discuss in the retrospect. Now the client is a client won't happy, right? To satisfy the client, what we have to do for the next sprints, right? Or wrong? We have to. We should not be in a demotivated. We should be in a motivated way, and we have to complete all the sprint items 100%. Right or wrong? Further, we are going to discuss all those. Okay, right. And we are going to discuss why it happened. Okay, what is the main reason we haven't developed for this? Okay, some developers might not be there, right or wrong? For previous ticket, it has taken a lot of time to complete, right or wrong?
Correct.
So these are all things we have to discuss with the development team. Okay, and we have to overcome about that. Right. Okay, so now let me draw the diagram roughly. So this is the product backlog and this is the sprint backlog, right? Next from product backlog to sprint backlog. So you have to discuss like this. From product backlog to sprint backlog, some items will be pulled by the product owner. From here to here, we are working in a sprint, right? So from here, we are going to have sprint review meeting. After sprint review meeting, we are going to have sprint retrospective. Right? In this, we are going to have sprint. Okay, the sprint length will be 1 to 4 weeks. Okay, we have to choose anything. Okay, the universal will be 2 weeks. Okay, Manoj, have you worked any other? Yes, right now my current sprint is 3 weeks. Okay, my current sprint is 3 weeks. My team size is a little bit bigger. Okay, I will explain you 2 weeks so that you don't get misconvenient in this. Okay. Right. So that you can understand 3 weeks and 4 weeks also. Okay. And how many days we are working for this? It is going to be 14 days. Remove Saturday and Sundays. The working days will be 10 days. You have to understand what is the total days in a sprint and what are the working days in a sprint. Okay. So here we are going to have another meeting that is called as daily Scrum. Okay, daily Scrum will be there.
Right.
Okay, I forgot to explain you on that day. Daily Scrum will be there here. Okay, in these 10 days, we are going to have daily Scrum every day. Okay, without daily Scrum, it won't happen. Okay, daily Scrum will be there. Daily Scrum will be around 15 minutes starting of the day. Okay, if you start your day, daily Scrum will be 15 minutes. Okay, from day 1 onwards? No, from day 2 onwards. Sorry, from day 1 onwards. Manoj, before starting the sprint planning meeting, can we have this daily Scrum meeting? No, after the planning meeting only, then we are going to discuss about the daily Scrum. Okay, Manoj, in 10 days, are we going to have everyday sprint planning meeting? Daily Scrum meeting? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, Manoj, in the day one, first you are saying that sprint planning meeting will happen, right? So day one in the sense from 10 a.m.
Mm.
So you are saying that every day from 10 a.m. to 10:15 you are going to have daily Scrum,
Yes.
right? In the day one, how we can start the daily Scrum without having the sprint planning? After completing the sprint planning meeting, just consider this was happened from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. 2 p.m. this meeting was completed. After completing this meeting, what we are going to do? We are going to start the sprint, right or wrong?
Right.
Before starting the sprint, I am going to have from 2 p.m. to 2:15 p.m. Okay, I will have the daily Scrum. Understood?
Right.
So that's how we are going to manage in the first day. Understood? From next day onwards, 10:15 to 10 a.m. to 10:15. Okay, 10 a.m. to 10:15, we are going to have daily stand-up regular. Why? Because sprint planning meeting will happen only in one day.
Right.
Understood now?
Yeah.
Now the final meeting we are going to have. This is sprint review. What it is?
Retrospective.
Sprint retrospective. Okay, we are going to call it as a retro also, but don't call right now.
Right.
For your interview purpose, don't call retro. We are going to have a retro. No, it should not be. You should not say in that way. Okay, sprint retrospective. That is the perfect way to say in the interviews. Okay, many people have seen that we are going to have the retros. Okay, that won't be nice. Okay, in the organization you can. Okay, you can call for the last meeting also. Okay, no problem in that, because you are talking with your colleagues.
Right.
Right, but interviewer is not your colleague, right?
Right.
So that's the reason you have to speak about the sprint retrospective. Okay, I have seen my students also. Yeah, whenever they are giving interviews, they usually say that retrospectives. Some people will say that retro, some people will say that sprint retros. Okay, I usually have a lot of conversation with them, but they are habituated to say retro. Okay, that's the reason I won't say that. Don't say anything about retros or any review meeting also. Okay, sprint review.
Correct.
Okay, sprint. Someone will say that planning meetings. No, don't say that planning meetings. Sprint planning meetings. Okay, say full word. Sprint planning meeting, sprint retrospective meeting. Okay, if you speak like that only, then only you are going to be get selected. Okay, right. Okay. Previously, what I said, we have taken 10 tickets here. Okay, 10 tickets we have taken. Now in the retrospective, in the review meeting, what we have taken 10 tickets. Okay, so in some cases, these 10 tickets will be deployed. Okay, will be deployed to whom, Manoj? To to the DevOps team. Okay, DevOps team. To the DevOps team, it will be deployed. That means deployment. Okay, every sprint they will deploy it. Okay, there are two types of deployments. Okay, one is sprint by sprint deployments. Okay.
So after sprint review is done,
we are going to deploy the tickets to the DevOps team.
Okay.
We are going to push the code to the GitHubs. Ultimately, every sprint we will push the code. After review meeting, we are pushing the code and we are handovering that to the DevOps team. DevOps team will take care of those things. Okay, and they will deploy. Okay, in some cases, what we will do is we will deploy the tickets in a bulk. Bulk in the sense, every sprint we will deploy. But they won't add those tickets in the live production. They won't add those tickets in the prod environments.
Right.
What they will do, they will deploy the product in a version wise. Okay, if any new feature is going to be completed, okay, a new feature is completed, do you think that new feature is going to be deployed to you?
It depends
to your mobile. Okay, just consider this month, today you got a new version update. By the next week, can you get the new version update?
No.
No. If you get it, you have to upgrade it, right?
Correct.
If you upgrade it, what will happen? Your memory will be lost.
Correct.
That means your phone memory.
Mm-hmm.
Your phone memory, you might lose your phone memory, right?
Right. Right.
So for your new upgrade, you are going to lose 2 GB data. Not 2 GB data, 2 GB of space.
Right.
Right. So ultimately, what you are going to do in a year, if your mobile is 128 GB or 256 GB, less than 1 year, your space will be occupied by your phone memory, not by your personal photos, right? Personal videos, right or wrong?
Right.
So whatever you want to keep in your iPhone, you can't able to keep it because every update is taking a lot of size of your memory, right? So that's the reason we don't get that much. Okay, every 6 months or every 8 months, like that. There is a time period for that. Okay, in the organizations, the people are following the second. Okay, how they will follow, Manoj? They will follow. Let me remove all these things. We are discussing about what? We are discussing about PI planning. Okay, product increment. What it is called?
Product increment.
Product increment. Okay, very, very important.
Okay. So Manoj, before product backlog is done, do we have any meeting like which tickets needs to be done product backlog? Or is it like
Yeah, we are going to have some sprint zero meetings also will be there. Okay, backlog refinements will be there. It depends. Some organizations will follow backlog refinements, some won't follow. Okay, I will explain those also. Okay, no worries, but not now. Okay, you will get confused.
Yeah.
I can explain you that, but you will get confused because you are habituated to follow in a particular manner. Right. If I say you about the backlog refinement, you will get confused.
Right.
Okay. Whenever the time comes, I will explain. In Jira, I will explain you, not now.
Okay.
Okay. In Jira, I will explain you because you are habituated to follow the framework. Up to them. Okay. If I do some changes, you can easily habituate that. Right now, you don't know anything. If I say you the more and concept on this frameworks, you can't understand.
Right.
Okay. I don't want to mislead you in that. Okay. Right. So this is called the product increment, guys. Okay. So what you are doing now, this is the sprint one. How many tickets you have completed? 10. Now, what is the definition of product increment? The product increment definition is nothing but whatever items you have been completed in the current sprint plus previous sprint or previous sprint. You are going to add it together. That is called as a product increment. Okay. So now
we are going to add together, right? That's what
yes, you are going to add together current build plus previous build. Okay. Okay. Now you have completed sprint one. Before sprint one, do you have any other?
No.
No. Then it is 0, right?
Right.
0 plus 10?
10.
Now you have got sprint 2. You have completed sprint 2. In sprint 2, you have completed 15 tickets.
Okay.
Okay. Now what is the definition? Current build plus previous build.
Previous build. Right.
What is the current build is 15. What is the previous?
10.
Now what is the total?
25.
Now you have completed sprint 3. Can you repeat the definition?
Right. Current plus previous.
Current plus previous. Now what is the current?
12.
What is the previous?
15.
If you add together, what it will be?
27.
My question is, where we can add this 10? Are we going to delete all these things?
No.
This should be also added, right?
It should be there.
It should be there. But as per the definition, you should not add it, right? Current plus previous one.
Because they have already added in terms like
where?
Two, right?
Now I am saying current plus previous one.
Right.
Previously I have added these two.
Correct.
Right? Previously I have added these two. Did I said anywhere previous build is sprint 1 plus sprint 2?
No.
No. Did I
You
say
mentioned-
anywhere now my sprint is sprint 30?
Mhm.
Did I said anywhere previous build is sprint 29?
Right.
Did I said anywhere previous build is sprint 1 plus sprint 2 plus so on plus 29?
Mm.
No. What we have to do? We have to do is we have to add all together in a separate place that is called as an increment.
Product increment, right?
Product increment. If sprint 1 is completed,
Uh-huh.
what you are going to do? You are going to bring these tickets to the increment.
Okay.
Now, how many? 10.
Mhm.
Now, if sprint 2 is completed, what you have to do? Let me take another color. You have to add 10 plus 15.
Hmm.
Right or wrong?
Hmm.
Now it will be 25. What you have to do? You have to add these two here.
Right.
10 plus 15. Right or wrong?
Correct.
Now, how much it is?
25.
25. Now, what is the definition? Current build plus previous build.
Right. Right.
Now, if I got sprint 3, if I
Hmm.
completed sprint 3, what I have to do? I have to add this 12 to here.
Right. Right.
I should not add with this one. If I add this one, my total tickets is 27.
27. Right.
It's
Right.
not 37.
Correct. Correct.
So that's the reason what we are doing. We are going to add to product increment. Now it will be 12.
Good.
Okay. Now my question is, in my organization, we are going to have every 3 months of deployment.
Okay.
Okay. Now, every 3 months, we are doing some deployments. Okay. Now, in the 3 months, how many sprints I can get?
How many sprint?
I can
Cycles.
get if it is 2 weeks of sprint.
Uh-huh.
How many sprints I can get?
Around 15.
15 sprints I can get.
15.
Sorry?
Sorry, not 15. 6.
6 sprints. Right.
Yeah.
In a month, I can complete 2.
Right. Right.
Right. Now, if I add like a 10, 50, 12,
Mm-hmm.
okay, again same like a 17, okay, 8,
Mm.
okay, 110.
Mm-hmm.
So now the total is 20, 28, 30, 40, 40, 50, 60, 70, 72 tickets.
Mm-hmm.
Right or wrong? Total how many tickets? 72
72
tickets
tickets.
I have to deploy.
Okay.
Okay, Manoj, who is going to decide the 72 tickets?
Mm-hmm.
You have to deploy at a once.
At a once.
Previously, you have asked me, right?
Uh-huh.
Manoj, do we have any other meeting before?
And then,
Right. That meeting we are going to discuss here. That is called as backlog refinement.
okay.
Okay. You can say that it's a backlog refinement meeting.
Okay.
Okay. It is an unofficial meeting.
Uh-huh.
It is not an unofficial meeting. It is not an official meeting.
Okay.
It is an unofficial meeting. Okay. That's the reason backlog refinement is not included in the ceremonies.
Okay.
How much time it will take? We can't expect it.
Okay.
We are going to groom.
Mm.
Groom in the sense we are going to have a discussion about this 72 tickets at a time.
Okay.
Okay. I will explain all the 6 later. Okay.
So, Manoj, these 72 tickets will be in the product increment?
Product? Yes. We are going to deploy all the 72 tickets at a time.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Then only you are going to get a new version.
Okay. So normally it happens in in
Yeah.
the corporate that every 3 months is a time bound for.
That's what I'm saying. See, here, some organizations will follow half quarterly releases,
Okay.
half-yearly releases,
Right.
annually releases.
Correct. Correct.
Some people will, in my organizations, we are going to deploy for every 3 months.
Oh.
Okay. I worked in previous project.
Mm-hmm.
In that project, we have deployed for every 6 months.
Okay.
Okay. In one project, I worked for never release.
Huh? Okay.
I never done any release. Okay. It
Okay.
depends. In some cases, we have deployed for sprints also.
Okay.
Majorly, we are following the quarterly releases.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'm following quarterly releases in my organization, but in some cases, my clients ask me to deploy 1 month of sprints. That means
Okay.
2 sprints to deploy.
Okay.
Okay, 2 weeks. Sorry, 2 weeks. 2 weeks of sprints to be deployed. Okay, what we have to do? We have to deploy these 2 sprints, right, to the DevOps team. They have kept in their environment, in the prod environment. What they have done? They have to deploy these 2 sprints, right or wrong? So in some cases also it might happen. Some urgency will come, right?
Right.
So that's how we can do. No problem. So Manoj, did you work like this? Yes, I have worked in many cases.
Okay.
Manoj, in between, have you seen any changes? Yes, I have seen many changes. Okay, no problem in that. Okay, based on that, you have to change it. But how you are changing it, Manoj? See, in Agile methodology is a flexibility. Whatever changes we are getting, you have to accept it. Okay, Manoj, straight away you are going to accept it? No, I am not the company owner. I am not the manager, right? Whenever a change is happening, you should have a discussion with the management. Okay, the management will accept it. Then only the product owner has to keep in the backlog. Okay.
So do you follow any process for this change request or something?
Yes. We should have an acceptance criteria for that. Okay. If there is a change request in the current sprint, okay, first management has to agree with that. Okay. That might cost more extra, right? So it's not for free, right? There are a few more modules are going to be added, right? Particularly for what we have agreed. Okay, just consider we have agreed for some modules, 10 modules. We are going to create only 10 modules, right?
Right.
So now the clients are adding 3 more modules. In the contract, did we discuss about these 3 modules? Did we discuss?
No.
No. If they added straight away, are you going to develop these 3 things?
No.
No. What
Straight
you have
away,
to,
no.
straight away, straight away. If they added straight away into my project, what I have to do? Hey, why you have added these 3 modules? Okay. So I am not going to ask the clients. I am going to ask the management. Hey guys, did you get any request to add these 3 modules? Okay, do you have the acceptance for this? If my client said, if my management said that yes, we do have acceptance, then that is going to be submitted to us and we are going to develop it. Okay, it's not our issues. Okay, if anything added, we have to develop it. Okay, so that is the thing we are going to follow. Okay, don't worry about this product increment. Okay, it's the definition part. We are going to have the releases in Jira. Okay, in Jira we are going to have a releases. We are going to have around 1 hour for that. We are going to discuss 1 hour for that. Okay, releases. I will discuss about these releases for more than 1 hour. Okay, no problem. But it will take a lot of time for. Okay. First, we need to understand the basics. Basics will take around 1 week around. After 1 week, I will start the sprints, reports. After completing the reports, some JQLs. After that JQLs, we will go for releases. Or else before JQLs, I will go for releases. Okay. After that, we will go for some confluences, right? Dashboards, all those things. Some change of requirements, right? Some board settings. We are going to discuss all those things and we can close the section for Jira. Then we can go for ultimately safe. Safe will take around 3 to 4 days roughly. Because whatever we are learning now, everything will be included in safe. Okay, everything will be included in safe, but few steps need to be added. The framework will be different. Now the framework is this, right? Previously I explained this framework. right? Now in safe, you are not going to follow this framework.
Got it.
Okay, safe framework will be this.
Okay.
Okay,
Mhm.
in my organization, I am an RT.
Okay.
Okay, I'm an agile release train here in my organization. Safe 6.0. In Safe 6.0, we are having more than 12 certifications.
Okay.
Okay, we are having 12 certifications. I'm having 3 certifications.
Mm.
Okay, I'm a safe lead in my organization.
Mm.
Okay, no worries in that. What I'm doing, I will explain you all those things.
Sure, Manoj.
Okay, but I don't suggest you to go for RT. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I will tell you the certifications as well. Based upon that certifications, you can go for SSM.
Okay.
Okay, Safe Scrum Master.
Okay.
This certification is good.
Okay. Okay. These are the basic safe certifications.
Yes, Safe Scrum Master certification. Okay.
Mhm.
Safe Scrum Master. I mean, right now you are a Scrum Master. Just consider you are a Scrum Master.
Uh-huh.
You will get 1 to 2 tips. Okay. If you do Safe certification, go for SSM.
SSM.
Yes, SSM.
Okay.
Okay. Safe Scrum Master.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. But I don't suggest to do this one right now.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Because it will cost more. And the validation will be only 1 year. Every year you have to renew it.
Oh, renewal go for higher.
Yes, renewal will go for higher. Okay. Now my salary is getting off. Okay, I have a lot of certifications. Around I have to do for CSM. It will take around $100 for me, and this one it will take around $250 for me. And some other certifications is there. CSPO is there with me, and Agile coach is there with me.
Right.
And Agile champion is there for with me.
Right.
Agile champion level 1. Level 3 also is there. I'm just level 1 certification. Okay. I did all the certifications. Okay.
Okay.
It cost more than for me right now. These certifications are around 2 lakhs.
Right. Right.
Okay, I don't suggest to do all those things. Just go for, if you have CSM, go for CSM, or else if you want to do PSM, go for PSM. Okay, just try to get the job. Just habituate what are all the things they are doing in the organization as a safe Scrum Masters. Okay, try to learn all those things, because Scrum is same to organization. Nothing changes are there. Okay, no changes are there. What I'm teaching is 80% will be same to same in each and every organization.
Okay.
Some modules, some add-ons will be there. Okay, in some cases, whatever I'm teaching, that's more than enough also. In some cases, some people won't follow also. Okay, one of my student is sitting aramly and he is doing his. Okay, what he's doing, what he's saying is, bro, you said more enough. Okay, my organization, no one is following nothing. Okay, I need to track the progress. That's it. Okay, my client is saying that whatever you are picking the items, just complete those.
Okay.
That's more than enough for me. Okay, no need to do for reports, nothing. I don't want nothing. Okay, I don't need any reports. I don't need any JQLs. I don't need any dashboards. If you want to prepare it, you can prepare it.
Got it.
If you prepare also, I won't ask you to show me. Okay.
It all depends.
It all depends on you. My main motto is you need to complete the work. Okay. For that, I'm paying you 16 LPA. Okay. You have to make sure that 100% I need the work to be completed. That's it.
So just out of curiosity, Manoj.
Yes.
What is the average? I mean, if you talk about salary bracket, okay, not exactly, but average salary bracket.
Based upon your salary. If your salary is high, I don't want to ask your salary. Okay, So my student recently, one of my student got placed. Okay,
Correct.
his salary is around 19 LPA.
Okay.
Okay, he got an offer of 22 LPA.
Mhm.
Okay, 15% around hike, 10 to 15% of hike. Okay, if your salary is in between 10 to 15 LPA,
Mhm.
you can ask 30%.
Mhm.
Okay, if your salary is between 25 to
Mhm.
30, then I will suggest go for 15 to 20% of hike. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, if you ask Manoj, some person is said to me that if you do these certifications, you will get around 100% of hike, 200% of hike. I have seen in the YouTubes. Those are all bullshits.
Right.
Okay, no one will get this. Okay,
Correct.
they will say, okay, but they won't show you. Okay, did anyone show you those offers? I can show you. I do have a lot of offer letters with me in my hand. My students' offer letters are there. I do have around 100 plus of offer letters with me. I can show you the TCS offer letters also.
Right.
Okay, how much of my students got it? Okay, and I can show the recordings of my students also. Some people will say that, okay, Manoj, these are the things we usually get it. Okay, if you search in the Google, you can get it. But it's not like that. Okay, I can show that. But the thing is, there is a security reasons also will be there, right? Some people will join as a fake, right? So the numbers will be there. So I don't suggest to show these things also. Okay, no problem in that. Okay, at the time